Hello everyone, welcome back to KEA Master. I hope all of you are doing well. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you for supporting our channel. And if you are watching KEA Master for the very first time, I warmly welcome you. If you find this course helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming lecturers and important Karnataka PGCET updates. Today is very special day because we are officially starting our complete Karnataka PGCET M.Tech Data Structures and Algorithm course. This is course introduction. Whether you are preparing for Karnataka PGCET M.Tech, planning for M.Tech admissions, preparing for software placements, or simply want to build strong data structure concepts, this course is designed for you. We'll start from the basics and gradually move toward advanced concepts. So even if you are beginner, don't worry, we will learn everything together. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, welcome to KEA Master. I sincerely thank every student who has subscribed to our channel and supported this journey. This is 100% complete data structure and algorithm course. Every topic in this course follows the official Karnataka PGCET M.Tech syllabus. I have designed every lecture in a beginner friendly way. Even if you have never studied data structure before, don't worry. We will learn every concept step by step with simple explanation, diagrams, examples and previous year questions. Now many students ask, why should I learn data structure? The answer is very simple. Data structure is one of the most important subjects in computer science. If you are preparing for Karnataka PGCET, this subject carries good weightage. If you are planning to do M.Tech, you will study these concepts in greater depth. If you want placements in software companies, data structure is one of the most important interview subject. It also improves logical thinking and problem solving skills. Whether your goal is PGCET, higher studies, placements or software engineering learning data structure gives a strong foundation. Now let's look at the complete roadmap of our course. We are going to cover the entire Karnataka PGCET data structure and algorithm syllabus. We will begin with the introduction to data structure, then we will understand abstract data types. After that, we will study arrays, strings, linked list, stacks and queues. Once the basics are complete, we will move on trees, binary search trees, heaps and graphs. We will also learn tree traversals, graph traversals, connected components, spanning trees and shortest path algorithm. Finally, we will study hashing, searching, sorting, greedy algorithm, divide and conquer, dynamic programming, asymptotic analysis and NP-Completeness. By the end of this course, you will have completed the full DSA syllabus required for Karnataka PGCET. Now let's understand why this subject is so important for Karnataka PGCET. Every year, data structure contributes a significant number of questions in the examination. If your concepts are clear, this becomes a high scoring subject. It also forms the foundation for many advanced computer science subjects. These concepts continue to help you during your M.Tech studies and are highly valuable for software placements. So learning DSA is not only important for your exam but also for your future career. Now let's see where data structures are used in the real world. Google uses advanced data structure for search index. Microsoft uses queues and graphs in operating system. Amazon uses graph-based recommendation systems. Netflix uses linked list and other data structure to manage user content. Uber uses shortest path algorithm to calculate the fastest routes. WhatsApp uses queues to manage message delivery. Instagram and YouTube use graph-based system to recommend content. So the concept you will learn in this course are used every day by millions of people around the world. Now let me explain how this course is structured. Every lecturer is beginner friendly. I will explain every topic in simple English. After every important concept, we will solve previous year Karnataka PGCET questions. You will also get practice questions, revision session, exam tips, placement oriented concepts and interview guidance wherever applicable. The objective is not just to memorize concepts but to understand them deeply. Our teaching methodology is very simple. First we will understand the concept, then I will explain it in simple language. We will use diagram and visualization wherever required. I will also give real life examples so that you can relate to every concept easily. After that we will solve practice questions and Karnataka PGCET every year questions. Finally, we will revise everything before moving on to the next topic. This approach will help you understand concepts rather than simply remembering them. Now let's see what you need for this course. Honestly, you don't need anything expensive, just keep a notebook and pen. You can attend this course using your mobile phone. If you have a laptop, that's added advantage, but it's not compulsory. And now let's look at what we will study in our very first lecture. We will start with introduction to data structure. We will understand abstract data types which form the theoretical foundation of data structure. Then we will begin learning arrays, one of the most fundamental data structure. We will also introduce time and space complexity because understanding efficiency is essential before studying any data structure. So don't miss the next lecture because it builds the foundation for the entire course. Thank you so much for watching this introduction video. If you found this video useful, please like the video, comment your thoughts, share it with your friends who are preparing for Karnataka PGCET and subscribe to KEA Master. Also join our WhatsApp community for daily KEA updates, complete PGCET preparation, college reviews, counseling guidance, cutoff analysis and placement guidance. The WhatsApp group link is available in the video description and pinned comment. Thank you once again for your support. I will see you in lecture 1, Introduction to Data Structure, Abstract Data Types, Arrays and Time and Space Complexity.